how I've been. Now you see that I'm with him. I bet you wish you knew if I'm forgetting about you. 'Cause you know I really tried to put my feelings to the side. Drifted away into the tide, but now it's baby bye bye. I know, I know, I know, I know, I know. Let go, let go, let go, let it go. I know, I know, I know, I know, I know. Let go, let go, let go, let it go. All these people in this crowd think they're all missing out. I guess it used to be me, but now I just wanna leave. I just wanna leave. 'Cause you know I really tried to put my feelings to the side. Drifted away into the tide, but now it's maybe bye bye. I know, I know, I know, I know, I know. Let go, let go, let go, let it go. I know, I know, I know, I know, I know. Let go, let go, let go, let it go. I know, I know, I know, I know, I know. Let go, let go, let go, let it go. I know, I know, I know, I know, I know. Let go, let go, let go, let it go. Used to be me, now I just wanna leave. Used to be me, now I just wanna leave. Used to be me, now I just wanna leave. Used to be me, now I just wanna leave. I know, I know, I know, I know, I know. Let go, let go, let go, let it go. I know, I know, I know, I know, I know. Let go, let go, let go, let it go. You'll never be enough. That's why I gave you up.
Hi friends, I hope you enjoyed that little tour of some of the memorable spots and moments from the RUN BTS episode that they filmed here at Cafe Camptong. I also wanted to point out some other spaces here that were BTS themed. For example, this is the Book of the Soul library where they've curated a collection of books that BTS have either mentioned or recommended, and it's by member. So this is RM's section. It was the most extensive section, but they had all of the other members represented in the library. And I think that's so generous of ARMY to take the time and money to put this together so that other ARMY can enjoy and browse through books that BTS have recommended. I didn't have enough time this day to really enjoy this part of the cafe, but I'll definitely be coming back to browse through and skim the books. They also had the graphic lyrics books on display that you could read, and I definitely want to look through all of these again. And here behind this pink curtain where Taeyoung took his photo is the Hope World section for Hobi's birthday. I think this is the best cafe cup holder event that I've been to, both in terms of the space where it was held and also just the thought and effort that the organizer put into the decorations, the freebies, the giveaways, everything. It was just so well put together. This is Hobi's section of the library with his recommendations. But yeah, I just really enjoyed being in the space, first of all, where BTS had filmed, and also seeing things that I'd never seen before, like zines and art books and some fan art for Hobi. This is the coloring sheets that they handed out that you could sit and color, and you could put yours up on the pink curtain wall, and some fan art as well. And it was around lunchtime, so I was actually pretty hungry, so I got a croissant sandwich for lunch and my beverage to receive my cup holder. Really cute Hope World themed cup holder. And for my drink, I got a purple sweet potato latte. And as I mentioned, if you're one of the first 18 people in line, you receive this stationery pack which was very generous, and it had all these cool items like stickers, a pad of coloring sheets, and postcards and memo sheets as well. And if you left a review on social media, you also received a mint chocolate chip cookie and some more postcards as well, which I love mint chocolate chip, so I definitely picked up my cookie. And that is it for this tour of Hobi's birthday cup holder event. Happy birthday, Hobi, and thank you for watching, everyone. Stay safe and well, and I'll see you next time.